Okay, decimal pyramid are built like this: 1.2, 1.7. When you add these two, 2.9. Each number is total of the two numbers below. Right. So let's do the working here. Build this pyramid. Right. So when you add these two decimals, you will get the answer. Okay, let's add 1.07, 4.8. Add 7, 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 5.87. When we add these two, 4.8, 5.9. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 remains. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10.7. Next, 5.9 and 7.323 we have to add. So let's add here 3, here 2, 9 plus 3, 12. Keep the decimal, 1 remains. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13.223. Okay, next add these two numbers. 5.87 plus 10.7. 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 remain. 1 plus 5, 6. 1. 16.57. So let's add these two numbers. 10.7, 13.223. So you have to keep in your mind, you have to keep the decimal place properly. Right, so let's add here 3, here 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Keep the decimal. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 23.923. Let's write 23.923. So finally we add these two numbers. 16.57, 23.923. 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 remains. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 remains. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 40.9. Sorry, 40.493. 40.493 is the answer.